What up, Sacred family? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do this stretch, scan lines, warp effect inside After Effects. Super easy effect, super trippy. If you guys new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single day this month. Hit that like button so you can help support my channel, help YouTube push my channel out to other content creators as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. Now that we're inside After Effects, guys, this is the clip we'll be working with today. What I did was I right clicked, went up to new, press solid, and I created this solid right here, guys, that we have. You guys can make any color you want. Go ahead and turn that solid back on. We're gonna go to effects and presets. We're gonna search up gradient ramp. We're gonna go ahead and throw that on our solid. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to zoom out. Yeah, this is good right here. I'm gonna show you guys after why it's important to do that zoom out. What I want you guys to do is I want you to press on this button right here. It's kind of like an anchor point of start of the ramp. I'm gonna put it directly in the middle of our clip. And we're gonna go ahead and go to the end of the ramp, press on that same button. And this time we're gonna bring it all the way out to the left. That's exactly why we zoomed out, guys, so we could go all the way to the left, further out more. That's good right there. Make sure you guys center it as much as you can. Then we're gonna go back to that start of the ramp that we put in the middle right here, and we're gonna bring that out to the right a little bit, good, just like that. It's very important, guys, that you're zoomed out and they're far apart from each other, because if not, it's gonna crop out your footage. I'll show you guys what I mean a little bit later, but make sure it looks something like this. Now we could go ahead and hide that solid. We don't need it no more. Zoom back in. Then we're gonna go ahead and search up time displacement, put that on our clip. Now it's gonna look very trippy. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna go up to our time displacement layer. We're gonna change that to the solid that we created. And then the source, we're gonna change that to effects and mask. Now if we play it back, you guys can see we kind of already have a scan warp type effect right there happening, pretty fire. Now I'm gonna go ahead and increase the max displacement time. And what this is pretty much increases the stretch lines in the clip. So we're gonna bring that up to 5. Now when we play it back, we have something like this. Very trippy, very fire effect. Now we're gonna do another variation of this same effect, guys. We're gonna go ahead and turn our solid back on so we can see the gradient ramp. We're gonna go to our gradient ramp and we're gonna go ahead and press reset. And what that's gonna do is gonna pretty much bring those anchor points that we created earlier back into the center. And we're gonna have something that looks just like this, and it's what we want. Now when we go ahead and take out that solid, we're gonna go back into our time displacement. We're gonna bring that to about 0.7. Now when we play it back, this is the type of effect we have. Super clean, time warp type effect, glitchy, trippy, whatever you want to call it. That is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit the notification button too, so you know exactly when I drop. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet, guys. It's free. You're not paying me a single dime, just supporting the channel and helping YouTube push my videos out. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.